Hello traders, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to be looking at the Trade Vantage V5 for MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. This is a 1-hour multi-currency expert advisor that has been getting some attention on MQL5. The seller claims it's a professional analyst tool using price strength, amplitude and reverse signals. It sounds promising, right? Let's see what it actually does. In this video we are going to properly review this expert advisor from beginning to end, to ensure you watch until the end of this video to get the full picture. But before we dive into today's expert advisor, we have a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in. You can get it for free by using the link in the description below. It's totally worth it, so sure you check it out. Now, talking about the Trade Vantage V5, it's actually available on the MetaTrader 4, but I'll be using the MetaTrader 5 to explain the expert advisor. It goes for $1,400 US, and it was developed by Ivan Mosatov from Ukraine. Has about 114 products. It's quite popular, and it was last updated this year, the 24th of April 2026. Now, according to the developer, Trade Vantage analyzes price over a time interval. It measures movement strength and spots when trends lose power and change direction. It closes the old position and flips. It also watches overbought and oversold conditions for buys, and the signal for buys, the signal dips below a level, then crosses back up with the main confirmation. Sells at the opposite, and it supports Forex and crypto mainly on the 1-hour time frame, and can use a leverage of 1:100. These are the recommended time frame and leverage. Also, they highlight reliable risk management, the trailing stop start, real and virtual stop loss and take profit, and also there are flexible settings here. All of this looks like a trend sensitive system with reversal elements, not pure scalping, and also not long-term holding. Key features about this expert advisor will include the automatic money management, the order series with exponential steps, and there is also poly params for tuning the signal engine, and multi-pair support. Settings cover everything from magic numbers to ECN mode. Also, they recommend $3,000 and above for best results. On paper, it gives you a lot of control. Basically, that's all from the developer, and this is their own backtest. This is what they have here. They have an initial deposit of, actually this was on AUD/CHF on the 1-hour time frame from 1993 to 2024, and an initial deposit of $10,000. Total net profit is about over 200 million, with win rate of 82%. Total trades over the long span of years is just 7,943 trades, and a good profit factor of 11.59. Now, this is a very long period to backtest this expert advisor, so I had the opportunity to run my own backtest on MetaTrader 5 on EURUSD on the 1-hour time frame from June 2025 to June 2026 with $10,000 deposit. Now, the total net profit ran around 18.2 thousand in profit, which is very, very impressive. They also have a profit factor of 5.67, about 71.29 win rate, and all of this was on 209 total trades. Also, the max drawdown stayed reasonable balance, was around 6.3, while equity was around 7.23 for the max drawdown. So all of these are impressive numbers, very, very impressive numbers, especially considering the total net profit from an initial deposit of 10,000. That's almost 200%. And looking at the equity curve, The equity curve is mostly steady upward with some consolidation periods and a couple of noticeable bumps like around here and here, but at the end of the day it recovered well, stayed relatively steady from 2026 March up to June 2026. So it's quite impressive results here compared to the monster AUD CHF backtest showing hundreds of millions in profits. Yeah, this is way more realistic. The thing is, those seller curves are often heavily optimized over decades, so your results will vary by market conditions, position size, and broker. But this is a more recent backtest and the results are quite impressive. These are some trades that it took. I have a short trade here and another one here, all taking profits around here. So we held all through this consolidation period here. We have another one here. This was a buy trade, held through all of this consolidation here. Couple buy trades, opens a basket of trades, take profit here, open another sell trade, and it holds trades through consolidation period. So that's one thing to note. But at the end of the day, the strategy is worth it because the maximum drawdown for equity was about 7% over the span of 1 year. So I'll give that to it. And also my verdict for this expert advisor is that it's not a holy grail. Do not think do not think about all of these numbers and just give it a go ahead. Yeah, the live like test shows decent consistency for a 1 hour system. Yeah, I'll have to give that to it. But the nuances is that you should watch for range in markets. Yeah, where reversals can chop, and also potential slippage on series entries just like we saw. And also there's the need to tune those polyparams, and also the hidden risks include wider drawdowns during news or strong trends. All those strong trends don't reverse cleanly and we know what happens from there. So it's good for experienced traders who test and monitor, but beginners on tiny accounts should probably just pass on this expert advisor and go for something more simpler. But this is better. Yeah, profits and drawdowns can differ depending on market conditions and position size or risk that the trader is using, so it's important to note that. Now if you want more real expert advisor reviews like this one, smash the like button and subscribe, turn on notifications, and also drop in the comments which expert advisor you want me to test next. And don't forget to grab that free forex robot from the description. Useful indicators and patterns included. Trade safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much.